This is a 7,000-pound unlimited hydroplane streaking across the waters of the Ohio River, a water-bound aerodynamic missile plummeting through the spray in pursuit of boat racing's biggest prize, the Gold Cup. Speeds past 150 miles an hour on the straightaway. Dogged, tough, dangerous competition in the turns. That's coming up today on ABC's Wide World of Sports.
What's up, guys? Back on the Thunderbolt here. As you guys can see, we've got the final form sanded out, all the deck planks out, taking all the electronics and the engine and all that out of it, and we're getting ready to start sanding on it. We're going to sand it down with some 240 till it's relatively smooth, and then we're going to epoxy over the entire top of it. Also be doing a little bit of filling as I go, as I find scratches or spots I don't like. So let me get you all on the stand and we will start doing that. What's up, guys? Lotus here. Back on working on the boat again. Figured I'd bring you guys along while I pour some epoxy. I have gone ahead and sanded everything here to 220, so everything's nice and smooth. There are a few uneven spots I'm not real super happy about, but this is my first time doing one of these, and as I've shown already, some mistakes were made. But we're going to work through it. We'll get a boat out of this. And I mean, the nice thing about these is, it's like, I think it's $200 for this hull kit. So I may just go ahead and buy a new hull at some point and redo the whole thing. So I'll show you guys right now. You might be able to see it in the dark. But up here, we've got a dip in this piece because these rails didn't go far enough forward. Over here, we put too much angle on it and got a ripple right there. But other than that, it's not too bad. And I mean, ripples in the top really won't hurt the performance of the boat. It's more just a show thing, aggravating. But we'll figure that out at some point. For now, let's go ahead and get a top coat on it using a foam roller and finishing epoxy. We're just gonna roll her out. I'll try and keep this a little bit thin, so I want to spread it as much as we can. but it is going to soak it up a lot. So not real worried about this first coat so much, because it is going to soak it up. I may not have mixed enough. That's a huge hole. It really is. I really kind of like these foam rollers too, because they do help to keep down to a minimum on the epoxy. Stop trying to wiggle off. Just a little bit more. And do these edges. All right, let's see how far we can spread it. Kiss his hands, man. Pass in front of you guys here. Alright guys, so we've got a nice thin layer everywhere. We'll go ahead and let that set up and dry out, and then come back and do it again. Then after that it'll be quick sanding with some 4 or 500 grit, just trying to knock down some of the high spots, because they will be where it soaks in and where it doesn't. And then primer, and start figuring out what color we want to make this thing. Alright guys, that's it for this. I'll see you guys in the next one. What's up guys? So I just wanted to give you all a little show of the current status of the Thunderbolt. So we got her all sealed off in epoxy, top and bottom. We've got the engine in all together, just about ready to break it in, because I think I want to run it before I do paint. So the epoxy is a little rough, but we're going to paint it anyway, so most of it's going to get sanded back off, and then primer and color and clear coat and all that. Haven't decided yet what color it's going to be. I was thinking, I'm not really sure yet. I was thinking about something bright though, maybe a green or a yellow. We'll see. But this is where she currently sits after the epoxy and all that. Here soon, gonna go ahead and fire this engine off. We've even got fuel cell and all that in here, so she's pretty much ready to go. Little covers around here somewhere for this. Oh, there it is. Just goes over that, but she's pretty much ready to go. Oh, one more thing to show you. Bring y'all back in just a second. Alright guys, so we've got the top plate set up too. All done up. A little spark plug poking through there. Got a fin on the back, and she's now secured. You can pick the boat up from it. It's got a little latch. Pull a little latch and pull out and up, and she comes off. So yeah, that's pretty sweet. And to get it back on, you have to pull a little latch back out again, and there she is. So this is the final appearance of the Thunderbolt for now, because we had to do some filler on the front, and I'm not real happy with the white streaks, so we're definitely going to paint it at some point. But she don't look too bad. Don't look too bad. So here soon, like I said, we'll be firing it off for break-in. I'm not sure if that's going to be a video or a live stream or what it's going to be, but it shouldn't be too long from now. So thank you guys for checking this out. I hope you all stayed till the end to see this part. And we'll see you guys on the next one.